Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. Today's video is of the annual plow day up on Virginia's eastern shore by the PTO, that's the Peninsula Tractor Organization. They put on quite a few events throughout the year. They do parades, they have a sawmill that they run. This is my second time getting to partake in their plow day. So unfortunately last year I forgot the little fuzzy rabbit sock thing for my mic, and the wind noise was so bad that I had to dub music over pretty much most of the video from last year. I'll put a link up here if I think of it. So unfortunately, last year's video kind of got ruined. And I did it again. I brought the wind sock, so I didn't have the wind noise, and I guess the mic adapter wasn't fully plugged in, and I got no audio today. So I apologize. I'm going to put some music to it just so it's not boring. I'll try not to pick anything too tacky, but yeah, I have no audio from today. So unfortunately, it is what it is. I do want to get the video up because I think there is some good footage, but anyway, not much I can do about it. So I do want to thank everybody at the PTO, especially Joey, Richard, Caleb. I ran out of gas at one point out in the middle of the field, and they were nice enough to go back with the John Deere Gator and grab my gas can off my trailer to save the day. So anyway, but it was a great day. We got a lot of land plowed. We ran out of time before we could even finish. I think there was an average of about 8 to 10 tractors at a time out there plowing. There was about 20 total. So yeah, good time had by all. So again, I apologize about the audio, but hopefully you enjoy the video as is. making everybody wait down there. I'm that guy that ran out of gas.
It ain't got no gas in it.
I don't know what happened. I had this thing filled this morning, and it usually will plow all day on a tank, so I guess you're getting a little thirsty. But I sent Joey and Caleb to go grab my gas can off my trailer. I think this guy might be coming with a chain to yank me out of the way. But yeah, 'tis what it is. that's gonna do it for today's video. Again, I apologize about the audio. I'm so disappointed because not only did I not get the audio, but this is the second year in a row at the same event that I've messed this up. So I do apologize, but it was a great event and I'm looking forward to it again next year. So 2 weeks from now, got another plow day in Edenton, North Carolina. I'll make sure the mic's working for that one, and we'll get some more action there. So until then, we'll catch you in the next one.